Hello, Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations, and welcome to my 2023 mini retreat project. This was the main project from the mini album retreat that I held. So this is my 2023 project. Not so mini, really, quite a substantial project. 2¼ inches on the spine. And then you've got 8½ inches by 8¾ inches, with your pages being 8¼ by 8¼ So lots going on, a very interactive mini album, lots of big spaces for photographs as well, but lots of interaction. This is what I wanted. You know, yes, we have magnets going on, so there's lots of spaces, 6x4 photos quite easily. You know, even if you've just got to take 1/4 inch off, tuck spots, stick them on the back, you choose. Now with my online workshop, as many of you already know, the online workshop, once you purchased it, is yours. You can watch it whenever you like, how often you like. There is no rules as to how many times you want to watch it. You get the password emailed to you. You can watch it again and again, this time, this month, this week, next week, the week after, next year, it doesn't matter. But there's lots going on with this interaction in this mini album. I break all the videos down. We have the construction video, whereas we construct the main cover and hinge, and then we construct each page. I then do decoration, where we add the decoration of the pattern papers. I then walk you through my final embellishments of how I've attached my embellishments, where and why I've attached them, so you too can learn how to do it. You get a cutting and scoring guide PDF that you can print off and keep, so you can choose whether to print it off in inches or in centimetres. The choice is entirely yours, but once you've purchased it, it's yours to keep, to watch as many times as you like, whenever you like. That is the beauty of it. There is also some bonus projects with the retreat. I share some bonus elements to what you can put inside here and some of the other pockets as well. So all that will become clear when you purchase the online workshop. So I'm Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations. If you're interested, you can purchase the workshop, join me, and I will take you on a mini album journey that will make this fabulous, very interactive mini album, which I think is just brilliant. I'll look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.